the great young people of the Conservation Corps of Long Beach. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us tonight. On that note, I do want to welcome up Winnie Latorre, the President, CEO of the Catalina Island Conservancy.
Thank you, Dan, for that really kind introduction. And really for your steadfast leadership of Conservation Corps of Long Beach. What an incredible organization. The Catalina Island Conservancy is proud to partner with the Conservation Corps of Long Beach, and what you're seeing here behind you, we're really trying to bring Catalina to you tonight. We are honored and humbled to be recognized as your Partner of the Year. All of the Conservation Corps, there are so many ways to be stewards of Catalina, and you guys are at the core of that. I accept this honor on behalf of all of us because that is who Catalina belongs to. All of us. Thank you.